We're going to have a lot of footage to go through, and to make this workflow a little bit easier, we're going to use YouTube to generate transcripts for all of our interviews. So I already have my camera A laid out and merged with my audio track, and I'm setting it to export through Media Encoder. If we can find it. Whoops, nope. So I have it set up to export for YouTube. So I'm using the H.264, and my setting's custom because I'm going to go ahead and set it to basically the default setting for YouTube's 480. Where did it go? 480 SD wide. So it's sort of odd format, but that'll work just fine. The frame rate I'm leaving alone, and the bit rate, I changed this according to YouTube or Google's settings, so hopefully this will work fine. But it's 2.5 for the target bit rate. I just doubled that for the max bit rate. I'm probably not the best person to ask about that stuff, but this will work, I think. And whoops, nope. And this is going to be actually mono because, well, no, let's go ahead and make it stereo. This is going to be stereo, and I set my bit rate at 160. So once this basically hour-long interview is done exporting and encoding, I'm going to go ahead and upload it to YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and queue this up. And it's already got my custom settings in there. And I will render this. And then we'll come back later.